What is up? What is up? What is up? We good to go. What is up? All right, we're good to go. We are good to go. Let's get this live started. Today we're going to be talking about Adidas Bored Ape Yacht Club. A lot of news, a lot of bullish news. Michael Saylor jumping into the action. Anybody joining us today? Let's see. Nobody as of right now, but that is okay. You know why? Because I'm a loner in the first place. I'm just playing. But today we're going to be talking about the market, a lot of news, Adidas once again. At the end, I do have a D-Gen play, about 5,400% APY, a cool, a chilly 5,400% APY. Actually, it's a little bit more, but we'll talk about that. It's probably close to 6,000 right now, but we'll talk about that at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Anybody joining, let's throw what's up in the chat. Let's throw what's up in the chat. What's up, Dingooos? What is up? What is up? And so today, let's jump into Ethereum Burn. Late last week, we passed 1 million Ethereum burn since EIP 1559. $4.5 billion worth of Ethereum burned. That's ginormous. Basically cutting emissions by 75%. And if we go ahead and look at the the amount of seller exhaustion in the market, it is insane. Let's take a little looky look. Let's take a look. So as you can see, we're hitting all-time lows, right? All-time lows of liquidity on the market for Ethereum, and that is due, almost directly due to seller exhaustion, EIP 1559, etc., getting burnt all the time. Let's see if anybody's chatting. Nobody. That's all right. We're still going at it. But anyways, yep. So right now, right this second, the emissions of Ethereum is 0 or 0.1. So pretty close to 0 emissions per minute. Oh, now it's 0.2. But anyways, I mean, basically Ethereum went through even more than a halvening. It's like 75% or 3/4 inning. We can call it the 3/4 inning. But yeah, once again, Ethereum looking very, very good. Let's check out Bitcoin. Once again, as long as this trend line continues to hold, we're good to go. We're still in a bear market, continuing to find lower or higher lows right here. So boom, boom, boom. We're good to go. So we're looking good. Let's look at the max real quick. Okay, so it's more like boom, boom, boom. Okay, and we could see a parabolic. Even though we're pretty parabolic right now, we go up and test this all-time high one more time and then break through 100K, 80, 90, 100K, just like that, very quickly, and could be very abruptly as well. What is up? What is up? So let's go ahead and check out the green candles. What are you snorting this morning? I'm snorting green candles this morning. But anyways, let's move on to the MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor's company purchased another 7,002 Bitcoin for $414 million. Now they hold 121,000 Bitcoin, guys. 121,000. That's huge. That's huge. He's putting it all on the line, and I will show you who else is putting it all on the line here in a second. So Michael Saylor is putting it all on the line, and then another person as well. Oh, who's that other person? It's Jack freaking Dorsey. So Jack Dorsey decided to step down as the Twitter CEO, and I have suspicion that it's going to be related to Bitcoin. Why? Why do I say this? It's because Jack Dorsey has been quoted in the past, this past summer, saying, Jack Dorsey on Bitcoin, I don't think there is anything more important in my lifetime to work on than Bitcoin. Boom, 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 evidence. I mean, this is what he's going to work on, guys. He's going to work on Bitcoin 110%. For sure. Let's see. So, yep, Jack Dorsey, Michael Saylor, long on Bitcoin. Long on Bitcoin. We got a couple. We have a video coming up, but first we sent out our 7th edition of the DeFi D-Gen newsletter this morning. Boom, boom, boom. We talked about the news, DeFi 2.0, the current market structure, 40 million, dope wars, etc., DeFi 2.0, etc., and then some degen plays. So if you want to support me, link is in the description. Also comes with Discord VIP, which we're building out infrastructure for. I mean, it's already there, but we're going to make it really, really, really tasty and good. But anyways, let's move on and listen to Christine Lagarde. She is a former IMF director along with EU something or another. But let's listen into what she has to say about good old Bitcoin. Let's listen in.
So for hundreds of years, governments and central banks have issued currency, and the currency is used for things to buy things, sell things, and so forth, and to price assets. Now some people have come along and invented various things called cryptocurrencies. Central banks are trying to adjust to what that means for them. So do you think that cryptocurrencies are a plus for the global economy, or is it too early to tell?
Cryptos are not currencies. Full stop.
Cryptos are not currencies. Full stop.
Cryptos are highly speculative assets that claim their fame as currency, possibly, but they're not. They are not. I think we have to distinguish between cryptos that are those highly speculative, suspicious occasionally, and high intensity in terms of energy consumption assets, but they're not a currency. On the other hand, you have those stable coins that are beginning to proliferate, which some big techs are trying to promote and push along the way, which are a different animal and need to be regulated where there has to be oversight that corresponds to the business that they are actually conducting, irrespective of how they name themselves.
Listen to this part.
And in all that, you have the central banks.
In all that, we have the central banks. Listen to what she says next.
Who are prompted by demand of customers.
Demand of customers. She calls citizens of a country coerced into using a currency. Demand of customers. Demand of customers. Demand of prisoners that have no other option. Guys, man.
To produce something that will make the central bank and central bank currencies fit for the century we're in, which is why we're now all looking at CBDC, central bank digital currencies, so that instead of having banknotes and cash in our pockets or in our wallet, we can have exactly the same thing, but in a digital form. So all of us are working on this, and certainly I was keen to push the CBDC issue.
So once again, they're trying to push a CBDC, a central bank digital currency, onto the market, into the digital space. Is it going to be successful? I bet you they see some degree of success. But once again, innovation, private sector innovation can never, will always outperform public sector innovation or development, whatever, right? So if it was a free market and they will introduce some type of clauses such as only CBDCs can be withdrawn and put into your bank account, or some type of clause like that to make it usable, right? So they have to make some sort of market inefficiency to make the CBDC usable, which they will. That's what the government does. They make the market inefficient so you use their products, right? That's what they do. And next is Adidas. Any thoughts on that, ladies and gentlemen? Good old 4 viewers. What is up? What is up? I hope you're having a fan-freaking-tastic day. Drop something in the chat. I'm having these. Let's have some conversations in his house. But anyways, Adidas partnering with Coinbase, probably nothing. Coinbase says, shake hands. Whoa, baby. And then Adidas says they're building something in the sandbox, which is a metaverse. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. It's probably nothing. And then Adidas partnership teased by Bored Ape Yacht Club, G Money, and Punk's Comet. Boy, if Bored Ape Yacht Club's partnered with Adidas and they start making exclusive merch, that's nuts, guys. That's nuts. That would be next level. Any thoughts on that? Yo, David, what is going on, brother? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you're enjoying this today. And also Omicron. So Omicron is Olympus Dow fork on Arbitrum, and it pumped significantly until it did a little dumpage. So obviously the new COVID variant, blah 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 blah, is named Omicron, and it pumped out of memeage. It is pumping. It did pump. It dropped off probably due to a rebase. I think something like this was a rebase, and then this was a rebase as well. So let's see, market cap, fully diluted. They don't have the market cap up, but I wonder if the market cap changed much, but we will see. I don't see the market cap, but that's beside the point. I just wanted to bring that up because I thought it was funny. So anyways, let's move on to the DGen DeFi play, and that is Tomb Shares. So Tomb Shares is kind of similar to Olympus Dow, and it's on Phantom Network. You can add liquidity and you can earn a pretty tasty APY. APR is 1%, which is about 500% APY. So 1.3% APR, 479% APY. That should say APY. Come on, get your APYs right. If you're going to play this game, get your APYs right. I'm pretty sure. If that's APR, that's significantly more. Okay, you know what? And then you go over here, and then you go to Grim Finance and check this out. So now I'm kind of confused a little bit because that's at APR, and if that is APR, that makes a little more sense because that is okay. I see you T shares on Grim. Okay, so basically it's the same amount. You sneaky poo. All right, so 479% APR equals 5,700 APY. So those are the equivalent 1.12% a day. So yeah, so at the same, pretty much the same thing going on. The only difference is this is a LP pair. So no, it's not. Yes, it is. So you can claim just T shares and go over here and just stake T shares. So you don't have to do a pair over here, right? So pretty cool. 8.46 million in this pool, so you're not alone. A lot of people are doing this. Pretty cool. High APY, maybe worth a try, maybe worth a couple K getting thrown at that. Any last questions? Hey, oh, damn, I was looking at Tomb yesterday, but I didn't dive deep, but I heard decent things. Yeah, for sure. So Tomb is pretty cool. Definitely check it out. 5,400% APY. That's pretty tasty. Join the Discord if you got a question. Follow me on Twitter. Let's get to 2,000 Twitter followers. That would be dope. And lastly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Big things coming. Another onboarding of another content creator this week. So he'll be posting videos. Actually, two people. One's going to be posting play to earn games like gameplay, and another person is going to be posting a bunch of DeFi content. And I'm going to stick to news. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a fantastic day. Big things to come in the crypto space. Super exciting. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, peace out and dingle dingle.